Hey guys, so welcome back to Wigmas. So today we're going to review this wig from the Daily Wig collection. It is from Outre. The name of it is Sterling. It's going to be a 14-inch bob with a few flips. I think you guys are going to love it. It has so many colors, so stay tuned for the review. So the first thing I did when I took it out is I used a little bit of my bed head spray and I sprayed those flips so that they would remain up. The next thing I did was spray the side, and then I came by the parting areas. This is a daily wig, and I didn't want that part to look too harsh, and I pulled a little bit of hair inside there. So you're going to see I'm going to cut it down, and then I'm going to swoop it around underneath just so that I can get a better look and it doesn't look, again, too harsh right there. Now this lace is really light, so you're going to have to tint it. I went in with some of my tintilation spray and I sprayed that on the inside, and then I put a little bit of powder on the outside. The gel that I'm using here is going to be some of the bowl hold, and that's going to be that edge fixer, and that's a Kiss product. So I'm using that to just lay it down. I wanted to make it look a little better around the edges. Now you don't have to use this when you lay it down. You can use some mousse or something like that, but you just need something, to me, to just bring the look, and make it look neater. Now the parting area was okay. I did pluck that ahead of time, and like I said, I put a little bit of powder in it. I did go in and put some spray, and then you're going to see I'm going to take the blow dryer and I'm going to use that to lay it down. If you want, you can use a hot comb or a curling iron, something like that, just to get the hump out of it, because it does have like a small hump around the hairline. As you know, these wigs are inexpensive, so you're going to have to put a little bit of work in, but if you do that, I guarantee you will get a good look and it will be super cute. Stay tuned for some of my pros and some of my cons, because you guys know I'm going to give you all the tea. Hey guys, so this is going to be the final look for this wig, and this wig is super cute. So the name of it, like I mentioned, is Sterling, and it is from the Daily Wig collection. Now I love this collection because they're easy breezy throw and go wigs. I've done a couple reviews from this collection, but like I said, I haven't done a review from them in like a long time. Love that it's a 14-inch bob, because 14 inches generally sit really cute and it sits really nice on me. It just kind of sits on my shoulder a little bit, so I love that. So let me get into a little bit of the specs of the wig. It says hand-tied lace. It has this elastic band in there that I really like. It is heat safe, and it comes in a multitude of colors. That's, again, another thing that I absolutely love about this collection. They give you so many different colors, so if you want anything from a number 1 all the way up to a bright blonde, you're going to get it. Now let's get into some cons when it comes to this. Although the price on most of these are really good and it's really reasonable, that does come with a little bit of you got to put some work in. So the first con I'm going to say, for some people, not for me personally, but I'm going to throw this out there, is going to be that parting area. The parting area, you're definitely going to have to work with it. Now, as you guys can see, as I showed you, you can see the part where the where the wig starts when it comes to the part. Well, what I generally do is pull a little bit of hair from this side and pull that over, and then you're not going to see that. You're going to just see the hair laying down. And then the next thing is to take a small piece and put it on the other side. You don't have to do that. If you want, you can pull the bang over more and maybe take this bang part and then take some scissors and cut it a little bit so the bang sits more on your forehead, and then you won't see maybe this side as much, and you'll just see that side swoop back. So again, the parting area might be a con for some people. The second con might be the hair texture. Now I think that this hair texture that's on this is silky. However, it works with the style. So with it moving, it offers a lot of body and that kind of thing with it having this little cute flip up thing. I feel like it's okay, but if you don't like silky hair, you don't like hair that looks like, I don't want to say unrealistic, but just too shiny for you, then you may not like that. Now, if you want to get it and you want to take care of that, of course, an old remedy is going to be use a little bit of dry shampoo. You can get those from dollar store or anywhere, and you can just spray it with some dry shampoo and it'll take it down a little bit. I have seen people use powder. I haven't personally done that, but I've seen people say powder does it too. Anything to get that shine down. So those are really going to be my only 2 cons, and probably if you don't know how to cut the hair, then maybe if you want to cut the bang a little bit, because it does like come for your lashes somewhat. But again, you can come in here, maybe put a curl and lift this bang up some, or even go in with a little bit of spray to lift the bang up.
I like the bang like this. And I will say another con might be this side over here. This side just kind of, I don't know, it doesn't do what I want it to do. I felt like it needs to be cut a little bit so that it sits a little higher on top of these bumps, but they do blend well. So it's like, Now the pros to this is going to be the color. It's an easy breezy wig. You don't have to worry about any of the lace that comes along or cutting it off or anything like that. And I like that it comes already in a style. Also like that it comes with that band. So the band that's in here is great because it sits right by the parting area, so it lays it down and makes it nice and flat. I like that so much because sometimes they put bands in it and it's like, why are you putting the band in there? It doesn't work. It's not doing anything for the wig, but this actually works. It pulls that parting area so it makes it lay down. And you still get the combs for those of my girlies that love their combs. So all in all, I think the wig is super cute. It's a great style. Like I said, I love it. I do have this wig in another color. I have it in a 1B as well because I knew that it would just be super cute and I was gonna really like it. So yeah, so this is cute for fall, this nice little red. You guys let me know what you think. Do you have this one? Have you picked it up? Do you like the style? You know, let's talk about it in the comment section below. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, you know what I'm gonna say, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't followed me on any of my social medias, what you doing with your life? Follow me on my social medias. I have everything from Instagram to Facebook to TikTok. So go over there, it's all beautiful. So much for pulling up on a sister, to my returning subscribers and my YouTube babes. Hey girl, hey. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.